To get started applying stages and transforms to our volumetric data, we need to apply a clip to our composition. In a HoloEdit, compositions are containers for volumetric content used to produce a clip or series of clips. It holds your tracks, staged data, and transforms for your project. A composition is made up of the timeline and tracks. Tracks are the individual pieces of volumetric video you'll compress and edit. Right now, our composition is empty. To add our first track to the composition, click and drag the newly created clip from the project window into the composition window at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Dragging the clip into the composition window will automatically create a new track named after your clip and add a pre-configured load asset stage with your clip's files. Tracks are built out of stages. Each track can have one or more stages. All stages either load new clip data into the track or modify existing data by compressing, transforming, or manipulating it. Each stage contains a single process, and most stages apply that process to the immediate preceding stage. A few things will happen after you drag the clip into the composition. The timeline will update, showing that the clip can now be scrubbed through using the playhead. The timeline will be populated with an interval for your load asset stage, and the clip is now on display in the viewport. If you click on the Add Stage button in the composition window, you'll see a drop-down appear with a number of stages. Use Add Stage to perform additional processing on your data. For this tutorial, we'll just keep our composition as is. Before we proceed any further, we should save our composition. You can save your composition by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save As. This will open a Select Save Location window. Set the location to our current workspace folder and name your composition appropriately. We'll name this composition Workflow, Viewing, and Composing. Go ahead and click Save. Now that the composition is saved, you'll see that the project window updated to include the saved composition we just created.